Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2027 Ford Triple Decker Motorhome represents a significant advancement in recreational vehicles, combining contemporary form with enduring comfort. This ambitious idea, envisioned as a multi-level habitation on wheels, aspires to rethink the concept of a home away from home by optimizing space, combining cutting-edge technology, and keeping Ford's reputation for sturdy engineering. The exterior of the 2027 Ford Triple Decker Motorhome will dramatically diverge from conventional RV design. Ford's design philosophy, presumably progressing towards more streamlined and cohesive shapes, would be apparent. Anticipate a streamlined form, potentially emphasizing aerodynamic efficiency to address the complexities of a triple-decker design. The utilization of sophisticated composite materials is crucial for decreasing weight, enhancing fuel efficiency, and facilitating the intricate engineering necessary for elevated altitudes. The facade would have large, panoramic windows, potentially employing smart glass technology for changeable opacity and temperature regulation, providing extensive views and an impression of spaciousness. Integrated LED lighting, serving both functional and aesthetic purposes, would enhance the vehicle's contemporary design, while concealed compartments for utilities and storage would preserve a tidy, uncluttered look. The entire design will be bold and modern, indicating a new trajectory for large-scale RVs. Interior: optimizing space and utility across 3 levels. The defining characteristic of the 2027 Ford Triple Decker Motorhome is its revolutionary 3-level architecture. This design emphasizes the optimization of living space while maintaining structural integrity and user-friendliness. Ground level: this will likely function as the principal living and entertainment center. The design may include a huge lounge with comfortable modular seating, a fully equipped gourmet kitchen including high-end appliances, and a dining room intended for social events. The entry will probably be via an elegantly designed lobby. Second level: this floor would focus on private quarters and amenities. Anticipate an opulent master suite, likely extending the whole width of the coach, featuring a king-sized bed, substantial wardrobe capacity, and a premium en-suite bathroom. Additional guest bedrooms or multipurpose spaces like a home office or media room could also be put here. Third level: the highest level would provide a distinctive viewpoint and could function as a secluded sanctuary. This might be conceptualized as a sky lounge with panoramic vistas, a sun deck equipped with retractable awnings, or a specialized wellness space featuring exercise apparatus and spa-like amenities. The incorporation of elevators or sophisticated hydraulic lifts is essential for uninterrupted vertical access among all levels. Perpetual comfort and intelligent technology. The 2027 Ford Triple Decker Motorhome will prioritize enduring comfort with careful consideration of interior finishes and features, in addition to its innovative design. Superior materials, including premium hardwoods, resilient solid surface worktops, and opulent upholstery, would establish an atmosphere of elegance and warmth. The design will strive for a unified style that is simultaneously contemporary and timeless. Furthermore, this motorhome would be a hub of smart technology. An advanced integrated system, presumably operated through touchscreens or voice commands, would regulate climate management, lighting, entertainment, security, and the distinctive multi-level elevation mechanisms. Expect full connectivity choices, including high-speed satellite internet and innovative driver assistance systems for greater safety and ease of operation. A resilient power system, presumably integrating significant solar panels and battery storage, would guarantee self-sufficiency for prolonged durations. In summary, the 2027 Ford Triple Decker Motorhome embodies Ford's vision for the future of luxury RV travel, a bold, modern design that delivers unprecedented living space and comfort, all constructed with the timeless appeal and sturdy reliability that consumers expect from the Ford brand.